So what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today I'm playing a server where I'm a moderator, and I'm not gonna be fine. But I will be invincible from fall damage. I hope. I think I will. Dang it! How did you do that? God dang it! Dang. Oh, he did not just do that. Wow. So here's name. This one's something for a tower. I can fly, and I'm out. Oh my god. Idiotic. I don't care if I can say it. Idiotic. You probably yourself. I'll put the mic under it. Recording. Now we pretty much all describe ourselves as Sky and Carpet. Okay, meaning Nick, Y, oh my god! I feel like this is gonna be an episode where I try to get some more technical. In that case, we can fly away. My creation. That is. My mom is on the server. Oh. Yeah, am I here? Yep. Hey, I can't design it. Oh, man. Yes. Nick. Okay. I'm gonna nickname him. I'm gonna nickname him. Oh, what? Oh, sorry about that. I got this for spam. Whatever he talks, he's gonna say his name is Bot. I hope you guys are following me. Crap. Perfect. Oh, it's probably. Okay, yeah, that's fine. That's it. I know I'm gonna nickname my join. Actually, I'm gonna nickname the host. No. Oh, what? Slash Nick. God. I'm gonna kill your mom. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna kill your mother. Oh, Jesus! Oh, sorry. Sorry about that. Sorry. But we were invincible. That makes it be alright. It's a more it makes it sound unsuspicious, right? Whoa. I'm a king. Come on, bro. Don't mind. Like it's the last night of our lives. And then we're gonna die. I'ma kill your mom. I like your name. Cool. Oh. God dang it! Stop doing that! Last. Okay, that's it. Look, that's it. Nick Cyber. Censored. 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 All censored. I'm running away. Okay. Nick. Diamond. Oh no, I'm gonna. Server. Server. Epic runs. Okay. Nick. Repod. Server. Yeah, I'm gonna call this episode. I'm gonna call this episode Fun with Names. Oh, that was accidentally censored blocks on that. Can't find me, bro. Can't find me. Can't find me. Check out guy's channel. Error 404. Sub to him. Real quick crack. I get you hate my. I get it. Hate my line. F1. Okay, that's it. That's it. Side. Nick Slider. There. Ah, come on. Nick Slider. Server. Let's see. Wow. I'm gonna do I'm gonna end it.